like a bitch, nigga, saucy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the yucky. When you get me, put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this Mac ride. Where the hood niggas.
As y'all being my mans, I gotta see what I just seen.
When I holla ski, let me pull up.
Oh my god!
Kayak gimme gold, kayak gimme gold, kayak gimme gold, kayak gimme gold.
YouTube. What it do, YouTube? MGM. Mafia got no shit! And I think the first package to just automatically start with chat is this. Facts or not? Feastables. Jimmy, I'm not gonna lie, you're glazing. Alright, buddy? Jimmy, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, I have unlimited Feastables. But whoa! What the fuck? They got edibles? Mr. Beast got edibles? Oh, hell nah, bruh. Carl gummies. Honest review. Okay, here's how it looks. It looks like Zaza.
Yer. You. Hola, Poppy.
That's a little sour. It's a little sour, but it's pretty good. Out of 10, I give it a 6.5, bro. Oh, don't you fucking dare. Don't tell me that, bro.
Damn,
bro. Oh, you good? We good. We good. Hope you like our new gummies. But why they never write? What the fuck is this? Chat, what is this?
Yow.
It's hard to open.
11 months.
Oh, it's like some white shit. Ew! Ew. It don't smell like nothing. Don't eat it. What is this? Ice pack. Oh!
You feel good, RN Kai?
Yeah, I feel good, gang. Yeah, I feel good, bro.
I love you, bro.
Well, Carl gummies. Wait, there's different. Oh, there's different flavors. Chat. W Carl, W Mr. Beast. W's. Okay.
Why?
Next we got. Actually, this is personal mail. Okay, personal mail. Okay. Next we got. Overloped.com. What the fuck? Oh shit. Dirty socks. Bro, why the fuck is you looking at my fucking socks, bitch? The fuck?
Trash.
Dominican shit. Oh, it's like Dominican. Okay. Little bracelets. Brown. Clear.
R.
Is these fire? Okay, I'm gonna give this shit to Phantom. Dominican shits. Dominican bracelets, chat. Dominican bracelets. Okay. This one is from Martin Vegas. All the way from Massachusetts. PWL letter, chat. PWL letter, bro. Here we go. Here we go.
Half a year ALR. Big 9 months.
Y'all call me L Reader, but look at y'all. Hi, Kai. My name is Martin. I was just going to say that I am a big fan, not the biggest fan, if I'm going to be honest. Yo! So you saying you fuck with me, but you don't fuck with me? To be honest, but I still am a big fan. If you can you tell all the AMP members I said hi? But there's a drawing. Oh yeah, and sorry I can't give you something. I'm broke. Get started. Oh. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Why did she actually kind of fire?
Hey.
What the fuck? Why did she actually kind of fire, bro? Okay. Thank you, Martin. I'm sorry I lied to you, Martin. I just wanted to go to Arizona.
You.
Lame man, nigga. Who this from? Top Notch Scholars. Okay. So I'm assuming this is your man's. Yo, what is this handwriting, bro? Okay,
smiling face.
What is this handwriting, chat? Chat, what is this handwriting, bro? Wait, dear Kai, I always want to be in your vid and want to chill with you and Lil C-Nat. And what to...
N.
Wait, what? What to behave... Okay. Wait. And what to become an AMP member and thought...
You.
What? And that AMP rap you made with Phantom was fire. Big KC 3000 from Izzy. Get back.
W7 months bookie.
Sorry, Kai, for messing up. Wait, you want to join AMP, bro? Bro, do you want to join AMP? I gotta know who Izzy. You supposed to leave a number or some shit, Izzy. You want to join AMP? How you gonna join AMP if I don't got contact info for you, gang?
Game.
Damn, he sold, chat. Hashtag sold, bro. He could have joined AMP. Hashtag sold, bro. GG's. Sold, bro. Next. We got... This is from... I don't even know who this is from. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I don't know who this is from. Am I weird if I bite this in my mouth? Oh, okay. Bro, what?
Yes, sir.
Yo, what the fuck? Bruh! Bro!
2 years SSSUBBEDDDDDD.
Ain't no fucking way. Bro, ain't no fucking way.
Yo.
Thank you, though. I'll be using this as a journal. Yo, Melanin Tings with the 5 gifted. Thank you so much, Melanin Tings. W gifted. I'll be using this as a journal to write down all my ideas, though. Thank you, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it. It's a good-ass book, bro. I read that shit. Bro, look. Watch this. Done. This book was about these nuts, nigga. Easy as that, bro. The fastest video on this planet, bro. I'm not just gonna use that as a journal, though. Start writing my ideas in there. I ain't gonna cap. Start writing my ideas in there, chat. I ain't gonna cap. Next, we got...
Yo.
This is from Candy. This is from Candy Fanhouse. Okay. Whoa. 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 Oh, shit. Yo! M&M's cookie dough? Cakesters? Cotton candy? Pink? Guap? Oreo wait, what the fuck? Yo, look how big these Oreos are!
6 months, my lover.
Yo! How you open this?
Yer.
Okay, we buy this motherfucker. Yo! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yer R gang. Full score. What's the word? D red heart.
Shut the fuck up, chat. Oh my fucking god. You don't need no milk for this.
SSSIIIIIRRRRRRR.
Bro. Oh. Pocky. Oh my god. Wait. I gotta eat the cotton candy, right? Pink cotton candy, gang? What? Hey, my Keith Lee shit. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god.
Big 5 months SSSSS.
Oh my fucking gosh, bro.
K.
Oh my gosh. This shit is bussin'. Yo. And niggas want some? Here. Here, hurry up. Gulp. 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 Ah.
Let me get a chuped cheesy with the bozzy chips on the side.
You said you want a chimpanzee with the body chips on the side? Wait! Wait a second. Wait, hold on. This is Giannis's brand. This is Giannis's brand. He had texted me before.
www.
And he was literally talking about this, bro. Bro, this is Giannis's shit. Shout out to Giannis. Giannis, you're a real ass nigga, bro.
Ski.
Giannis, if you see this, bro, you're a real ass nigga, bro. Thank you so much for making me choose to taste your candies. That's exotic. I love it. Keep sending the boxes. Fuck it. Behind that you. Next, we got
Ill blow your.
Tina Cox. Okay. Lock in. 3, 2, 1. This joke is laid out on so many ways, bro. Do you understand me? This joke is so played out on so many ways. This shit is not even fucking funny, bro. What the fuck am I looking at, nigga? What the fuck is this? What is this? I don't even look like the nigga. Not cool, bro. Not, bro. Tina Cox. Oh, there's more. There's more. What is this, bro? What is this, bro? There's more. But my fucking mouth is red now! Giannis, I thought you were the Kupo! The fuck? Dear Kaicenat, in December 2022, you opened my painting. You hated my art. I don't currently see it on your wall. The portrait you have now received is revenge. Yes, Mr. Kaicenat, you look like a jellyfish from Shark Tale. I'm joking. I'm a UK YouTuber who made... Shut your bitch ass up, bruv. Yeah, before I give your ass a fucking wedgie, bruv. You wanna mess with big man? You wanna mess with big bunda butt man? Innit? I'll whoop your ass and you have to go ask your big brother, Josh, to help you, bitch. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that's not even funny, bro. Yo, chat, am I gonna have to brush my teeth? Like, what the fuck? Would I have to brush my teeth? Ski. I wanna go to the bathroom and brush my teeth with me? Or nah? Yeah, I wanna go to the bathroom and brush my teeth with me? Or nah? Alright. Wildin' snacks. Okay, more snacks. PWL snacks, though. Wait, does Wild now got their own snacks? Uh-oh. They do? Why is niggas doing anything? Oh, these are just exotic snacks, chat. The fuck? Smell good. Tastes good. But for all I know, this literally could say contains 20% of alcohol. And I'm drinking that motherfucker. That shit might be walk. Yo, did they feed that nigga? Did they feed that nigga walkie yet? Or nah? Uh-oh, this look like sneakers. This look like sneakers. This look. That might not be sneakers. Oh shit. What the?
No way.
It's weed! Yo! Smell that za. Smell that za. Smell that za, nigga. Smell that za. Yo. Yo, chat. Her niggas be like this. This is how her niggas be, chat. Look at this shit. Sour. 45 for 8. 45. This is za, bro. Straight za. You can't find this shit nowhere else. Tap in. Za, nigga. Za this shit. I'm telling y'all niggas, bro. Like, look. See that right there. Look at that. Smell that motherfucker. Smell it. Smell it. Smell that motherfucker. Smell that motherfucker. Smell it, gang. You can't find that shit nowhere, gang. And look. T Grizzly be supporting me and shit. I'm telling you, bro. T Grizzly tapped in, gang. I ain't gon' cap, gang. I'm telling you, Zah, bro. Tap in. Yo, you think I could get a photo with you? Yeah, hold the bag. Hold the bag. I got you. Hold the bag. Hold the bag. Thank you, my heart. Thank you, my heart. I holla at you, gang. I holla at you, gang. Get over here, bitch! Die! Yo! Die! Fireproof! It's fireproof, nigga! Look! My chair's indestructible, bitch! You see? Now I know what I gotta do. I gotta sell chairs, bro. I'm telling you, bro, I gotta sell chairs, bro. Ow. Yo. Ooh! Yo! Yo, wait! Should I sell indestructible chairs? Yo, should I start selling this exact chair, chat? The niggas gonna bottom.